What's a secret you will take to the grave but don't mind telling on the internet? In 7th grade, I was invited to a popular girl's birthday party and I took a massive shit in her bathroom and clogged the toilet. I panicked, so I just walked out of there like nothing happened. Then when one of the other kids needed to use the bathroom, they came out and screamed out to everyone that someone left a massive log in the toilet and it wouldn't flush. Suddenly, the entire birthday party shifted to the bathroom so they could inspect the giant shit I left in there, and everyone was laughing. I played along and laughed too. I specifically remember one of the kids going, "Well, obviously it wasn't one of us. How would that even be able to come out of a kid?" Everyone thought it was her stepdad who did it. The girl whose house it was at ended up becoming a major bully in high school, so I felt even more satisfied knowing they had to clean